What's up guys, welcome back to the Decent Garage. So I'm going to show you guys a new little project I picked up. So let me show you first and then I'll explain why I'm doing this video. So I've been looking for a dirt bike for my wife. I had that xr100 that my neighbor sold to me, and I didn't put any work into it because I knew it was not a good fit for my wife. But I found this xr100, it's a 99, and you can see it's just all in parts. Got everything here, all the plastics, the wheels, the frame, the seat, air box, gas tank, and then it came with a bunch of boxes full of parts, which I've already pulled out right here. So it has everything supposedly here with duplicates of a lot of parts that we're wearing out. So I picked this up kind of as a fun project. I love XRs. I want to build this one for my wife. I think it'll be a great bike. And I wanted to kind of challenge myself to see if I could put one of these things back together without being the one who tore it apart. By the end of the video, we should have this thing running and driving. We're going to do everything from painting the frame to rebuilding and putting everything back together. So it's a nice looking bike when it's done. So let's get started. Alright guys, so as we're getting ready to put the top end together, I was inspecting the parts I have, and Here's the rocker assembly that I have, and there's only one assembly, even though there's probably about 2 of almost every part so far, but only one rocker assembly that he gave to me when I bought it. And you can see it's got a lot of just surface rust on it from sitting out, not bathed in oil. So this stator cover was in about the same condition, pretty covered in surface rust, didn't even look usable. But let me show you a trick to fix that. So we'll take this over here to my utility sink, and I have this thing of apple cider vinegar. So I've got this tub of apple cider vinegar. We're just going to drop this in. Now you want to be careful. This piece, there's no O-rings, there's no bearings. It's all steel pieces. The stator cover had steel and magnets. Again, nothing to be afraid of with apple cider vinegar. But this stuff is strong acid, so if there were O-rings or seals or gaskets or anything, I wouldn't be putting this in here. But if you can get it down to bare metal and put it in here, leave it for at least 24 hours, and then I'll bring you guys back when I pull it out tomorrow. We'll brush it off with a wire brush, and it'll look brand new. Here we have that rocker assembly. It's been in here for 24 hours. So we're gonna pull it out. Okay, got it pulled out. Now this is just a soft bristle brush. You could use a wire brush, but that vinegar loosens up all the corrosion and rust. So it just brushes right off. Okay, we're gonna rinse it off. All right, now we're gonna dry it off with a towel, and then I'll probably shoot it with an air compressor, get all the water out of it, because we don't want it to oxidize again. And if you're not gonna get around to putting this back on and getting some oil on it, I'd recommend putting something on it, whether it's assembly lube, WD-40, used motor oil, something to keep it from oxidizing again. I'd say that turned out nice. Definitely usable now. For a budget build, this will work. Woohoo! I can't believe that, guys. So it started. I need to raise the idle just a little bit, I think. But it started. That's crazy. I just can't believe it. I think I get lucky a lot of times on stuff like this. So sweet. I'm gonna pick up with this video when I get a rear wheel. We'll put all the plastics back on the rear wheel. I'll adjust the carb. Let's take it for a little rip. So, whew, I can't believe that.